Imagine a planet spinning so fast that it stopped being round and turned into an oval-shaped world on the edge of breaking apart. Scientists believe a massive collision once tore it almost to pieces, yet somehow it survived. Far beyond Neptune lies Haumea, one of the strangest objects in our solar system, with rings, moons, and a mystery that still puzzles astronomers today. How can a planet spin this fast and still exist? When astronomers first began studying Haumea in detail, they immediately realized something about it made absolutely no sense. Most large objects in space naturally become round because gravity pulls their material evenly toward the center. That is why planets, moons, and even many dwarf planets appear spherical. But Haumea refuses to follow that rule. Instead of looking like a smooth globe, Haumea is stretched into a long oval shape, almost like a cosmic football drifting through deep space. Scientists eventually discovered the reason behind this strange appearance. Haumea rotates once every 3.9 hours, making it one of the fastest spinning large objects ever observed in the solar system. That speed is so extreme that centrifugal forces are literally pulling the dwarf planet outward. What makes this especially fascinating is how researchers confirm these findings. Because Haumea is too distant to photograph clearly like Mars or Jupiter, astronomers had to rely on indirect observations. By carefully measuring changes in brightness as Haumea rotated, they noticed repeating patterns in reflected sunlight. Those light fluctuations revealed both its unusual shape and rapid rotation speed. The recent observations became even more exciting after astronomers used stellar occultation techniques. This happens when Haumea passes in front of a distant star. Tiny changes in the starlight allowed researchers to map the dwarf planet's shape with surprising precision. That same method also led to one of the most shocking discoveries. Haumea has a ring system. That finding stunned scientists because rings are usually associated with giant planets like Saturn. Discovering one around a dwarf planet suggested that the outer solar system is far more dynamic than previously imagined. The ring itself orbits very close to Haumea and appears linked to its rapid spin. Researchers believe material may have been thrown outward over time due to the dwarf planet's intense rotation or from a massive collision long ago. But the deeper scientists looked, the stranger the story became. Haumea was not simply an oddly shaped icy rock. It appeared to be the surviving remnant of an enormous ancient disaster. And that realization opened the door to an even bigger mystery waiting beyond its frozen surface. The biggest breakthrough in understanding Haumea came when astronomers stopped viewing it as an isolated object and started looking at its surroundings. What they found changed the entire story. Scattered across the Kuiper Belt are several icy bodies that appear to share remarkably similar properties with Haumea. Their surface composition, orbital behavior, and reflective ice signatures are unusually alike. Scientists now call these objects the Haumea family, and many researchers believe they were all created during the same catastrophic event billions of years ago. The evidence supporting this idea is surprisingly strong. Spectroscopic observations revealed that many of these nearby objects contain crystalline water ice similar to Haumea's surface. That matters because crystalline ice forms under specific thermal conditions. In the freezing darkness of the Kuiper Belt, radiation from space should gradually damage and alter that ice over time. Yet somehow, these objects still preserve similar surface characteristics. Astronomers think the explanation may involve a gigantic collision early in solar system history. According to current models, another large object may have slammed into Haumea at tremendous speed. The impact likely blasted huge amounts of icy material into space, while also dramatically increasing Haumea's rotation rate. That single event could explain nearly everything scientists observe today. The rapid spin, the elongated shape, the ring system, even its two moons, Haumea and Namaka, may have formed from debris left behind after the collision. What makes this discovery so important is that it provides a direct window into the violent conditions that shaped the early solar system. People often imagine planetary formation as a slow and peaceful process. In reality, it was probably chaotic beyond imagination. Young planets and dwarf planets constantly collided, merged, shattered, and reshaped one another. Haumea may be one of the clearest surviving records of that era. Researchers have even used advanced computer simulations to recreate the possible impact. Some models show that a glancing collision could generate exactly the kind of elongated body astronomers see today. Other simulations suggest fragments from the impact would naturally spread outward into the same orbital region where the Haumea family exists now. In other words, scientists are not just guessing anymore. They are building a consistent forensic reconstruction of an ancient cosmic accident. And the more accurate those reconstructions become, the more Haumea transforms from a strange curiosity into something much bigger, a natural archive preserving evidence from the solar system's most unstable age. Haumea is more than just another distant dwarf planet. It is a spinning survivor from one of the solar system's most chaotic eras, carrying scars from an ancient collision that may have reshaped an entire region of space. Its strange shape, icy surface, ring system, and mysterious family of nearby objects are helping scientists reconstruct events that happened billions of years ago. And as telescopes continue improving, Haumea may reveal even deeper secrets about how planets form, evolve, and sometimes barely survive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible discoveries from the edge of our universe.